Encountering card decline on Maya or GCash despite sufficient funds is often due to account issues, payment restrictions, or technical errors. Here's how to troubleshoot. First, you need to go ahead and check your balance. Verify the card details, activate online payments. On Maya cards, select card, enable online payment, and on GCash, select ensure MasterCard or Amex is linked. Enable international transactions if needed, and check the spending limits. Upgrade account to increase, and update and reinstall the application. Try GCash, QR Pay online, or Maya's virtual card, and contact the support. For Maya, you can go ahead and use the in-app chat or support at the maya.ph, and for GCash, you can go to their help center. Tap on the Contact Us option that is in the bottom of their help page or their official website, and you'll be able to go through options to connect with the official help desk. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.